Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a solid review on Momotube or Momo or Watch if it's a scam or legit. So Momotube or whatever its current name might be positions itself as a platform where users can supposedly earn money by engaging with its content. The platform touts an easy cash out process requiring players to simply reach a low level, specifically level 3, before they can withdraw their earning. However, the reality of the user's experience tells a different story. Now here is let's talk about the cash out and level requirements. One of the most hardlines on Momotube is the cash out requirements. Also, the platform claims that reaching level 3 is enough to enable our withdrawal. The actual process is much more convoluted. So many users have noted that reaching level 3 is not enough. Beyond just reaching the record level, you must also accumulate a sufficient number of referrals for additional tasks. In practice, the platform forces you to not only complete viewing content but also recruits others to join under your referral link before any payout is initiated. And artificial barriers. The instance on referrals means that even if you meet the level requirement, your chances of cashing out remain slim. The referral conditions appear designed to less or reward users and more checks when the platform's user base. In other words, it's a win-win for the platform but a hurdle for genuine earning. So they have the referral dilemma. So one of the major issues with Momotube is its heavy reliance on referrals, unrealistic referral goals. So it is highly unlikely the strangers would willingly join the platforms under your referral link, especially when service itself offers limited content, nothing to watch, or lacks appeal. So this creates artificial barriers where your earning potential is directly tied to recruiting new users rather than genuine engagement. Referral-based cash out delays. So if you have reached the certain number of referrals and reached to level 3, they cannot withdraw their earnings. So this system makes it nearly impossible to build a sustainable income stream if recruiting becomes your primary and arduous task. Now, the unclear payment practices and potential bans like inconsistent payment practices, IP, and multiple account issues. So here also they have the system check excuses, different types of system checks. They are checking your system, they are checking their system, the system is under maintenance. So just like this. Now here is a verdict that it is scam or legit. Now, not a direct financial scam but misleading. Technically, Momotube might not be fraud in the sense of stealing your money outright. However, by imposing multiple hurdles, level and referral requirements coupled with vague payment policies, the service is structured in a way that makes earning actual money extremely difficult. A referral trap designed for platform growth, potential for account suspensions, and here is the conclusion for you. For those looking to earn real money online, Momotube's deceptively simple promise quickly unravels into a maze of impossible conditions. While it may not be an outright scam where money is stolen, the platform is far from a legitimate or user-friendly way to earn income. Its confusing cash-out system, unrealistic referral demands, and potential for punitive actions make it risky proposition for anyone serious about earning money through online engagements. So it can be a red flag and it can be a scam, or if it's not a scam, they actually don't pay you. Otherwise, actually, they don't pay the users according to the reports. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.